guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to show you the 7 easy gorgeous styles that you can rock. So if you guys want to see how I achieve these looks, please continue watching. My hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using my Eco Styling Gel, my water bottle, my scrunchies, my Diana brush, and my rat tail comb to achieve this look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by sectioning my hair from ear to ear, just a straight line, guys. So exactly the way I'm doing right there, a straight line. Just try to make it as straight as possible, guys, okay? And then when I'm done sectioning my hair, I'm going to secure the hair in the back with the scrunchie because I'm going to start working with the front first. So when I'm done securing the hair in the back right there, I'm going to start by finding my base. So I want it to be like a really nice top band right there. You guys already know I have to slick my hair down in sections because my hair is thick or whatever, okay? So I do have like a little base that I start with and, you know, add my water, take my Eco Styling Gel, you know, and then use my brush. And then I'm just gonna secure the hair with the scrunchies. I actually like sticking my hair down with Eco Styling Gel because it doesn't give me the white crusty stuff when I'm done. Okay, so you can use whatever gel works for you, but this is what works for me. My hair is really thick. I have to go in sections, use my water, and then I use the Eco Styling Gel and then my brush to make sure my hair lays all the way down. Working in sections works even better for me because my hair sleeks way better. And you know my hair says, I mean, like this hair, this 4C hair says is a struggle, but girl, it takes me about 5 minutes to slick my hair down. 5-10 minutes, I am done slicking my hair down. I'm done slicking my hair down in the front right there. I'm just going to secure it with the scrunchie, just the way I'm doing right there. And sis, let me tell you something. Don't try to slick your hair down and tie the scrunchie too tight if you're trying to keep this style in for a long time, okay? Once I'm done slicking my hair down, you know, so I'm using the same concept in the back as well, going in sections as I'm adding my water. While we're still talking, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads because this channel is getting wet, juicy, yeah! We gotta lay this baby hair. Just gonna use my brush, okay? My little edge brush that I got from Amazon, of course, you already know. Just gonna use my styling strip to make sure my hair lays all the way down, okay? And then I'm going to be using my bougie pink scarf. And baby, you better check this out on our website, sis, okay? Anyway, so I'm going to be using this Super TZ 60-inch braiding hair. It comes 3 in a pack, sis, and I'm going to be using all 3. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking it out of the pack, you know, taking the rubber band out, and then I'm sectioning the hair into 2 because I want to use 1/2 on top and then 1/2 on the bottom, sis, okay? And then I'm just going to take my scrunchie, securing it on the hair, and then I will secure that on my natural hair. I have to put my styling strip, that way my hair doesn't get messed up in the front, okay? And then I'll section a little bit of the piece on the side, you know, saving it for later to make this look as realistic as possible. All right, so now I'm sectioning the hair into 3, braiding it as a normal braid. You guys already know the drill right about now. So just braid it all the way down. I like the hair because it's already nice and pre-stretched, so that works better if you want to try like do like a style like this. And I already have the link in the description if you guys want to check it out as well. I'm just going to secure it with the rubber band at the end, that way it does not unravel. And then I'm just going to pull it a little bit, you know, just to make sure it's nice and realistic or whatever. And then I'm just going to flip it just the way I'm doing right there. I'm going to go round with the hair that I put on the side, guys, so I make it look like it's growing out of my scalp. That's exactly what I'm doing. Make it as tight as possible, not too tight, sis, that you can like move your hair, you know, you can't sleep at night or whatever, okay? Anyway, once I'm done, you know, going around making this as realistic as possible, I'm going to take my little bobby pin and secure it, sis. So I'm going to take the other 1.5 piece, of course, and place it on my head, section the little bit of the hair on the side, and then section the hair into 3 and braid it all the way down. then I'll take the little bit of the piece again, you know, go round with it and make this as realistic as possible, and then use a bobby pin to secure it. Sis, when I tell you this is like a 10-15 minute hairstyle and you are done, honey. I mean, look how cute this hairstyle is. This style came all the way through. Yes, sis. And you know I cannot be the accessorizing queen without adding some accessories, sis. So this is what I'm doing, just adding this little gold accessories, and baby, it turned the style from 0 all the way to boop, 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 100. Let me know if you guys are feeling this style or whatever. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying this style. So the next style, you know, we're just going to take this, the braid, the front braid, and just start going around with it, making this into a bun. And then when you're done, you're just going to take a bobby pin and secure it. And that's about it. Let me know if you guys are feeling this style as well. This little bun on the top and braid all the way down. So style number 3, we're just going to be using these afro puffs that I got from Amazon, okay? And this one has 2 combs inside and a drawstring. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to take my Garnier Fructis Shine Moroccan treatment and then apply it to both puffs, okay? And then I'm just going to take my afro comb and comb it out, making this as realistic as possible. And then I'll use both combs, one in the front and one in the back. And then I'm just going to pull the drawstring just to make sure it's nice and secure on my head, sis. And I'll take the other one and place it on the back, and that way I have 2 puffs, one on the top and one in the back, sis. Okay, and these ones are mini puffs, and I have everything in the description, sis. When I tell you this style came all the way through as well, this looks really nice and realistic. Like, this is just my fro. I mean, this is me dreaming of growing my hair. Okay, so if you can achieve it, sis, we're gonna fake it until we make it. Okay, sis. I am loving this style. Let me know if you guys are feeling it. Let me know if you guys will be trying this little puff situation going on. Style number 4, we're going to be using this I Define Easy Braid. It comes 3 in a pack, and this is 52 inches, sis. So I'm using all 3 of the packs. I'm just going to take it out of the pack and place a scrunchie on it, and then I'll place one in the back right there. Okay, so I'm just going to twist it all the way down, you know, just a loose twist. It doesn't have to be really tight or whatever. Okay, and then when I'm done, I'm just going to take a little rubber band and secure the end, that way it does not unravel. And then I'll place one on the top right there. I had to place my styling strip as well because I didn't want to have my hair messed up when I'm twisting all the way down. Then I already have another one twisted on the side, so I'm just gonna place that on the top as well. So I'm placing 2 on the top. I'm going to start with the front right there. Just flip it just the way I'm doing right there, closer to your forehead. And then I'll place it on the band just to make sure I hide my hair, using my bobby pins to secure it. And then I'm just going to secure the back as well. And next, I'm just going to flip the hair in the back, secure it with some bobby pins, okay? And then flip it all the way, you know, bring the hair to the front right there and tuck it in. And then the second one, you know, the one that I have in the front, okay, I'm just going to flip that, you know, just try to hide my hair on the top right there. So just work with it, that way your hair is really nice and hidden. And baby, you have a nice mohawk situation going on, and I love this hair because it looks really, really nice and realistic, like it's my natural hair or whatever. And I just love the way it came all the way through, sis. Let me know if you guys are feeling this style as well. Okay, I'm gonna be using this Freetress braid, and this is the body wave curl, and this is 20 inches. I'm actually using 1 pack, guys. Okay, and this is color 1B, so it comes 3 in a pack. So I'm just gonna take 1 out of the pack and take a scrunchie and secure it exactly the way I'm doing, guys. I'm just gonna place my styling strip again just to make sure my hair doesn't get messed up, sis. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the hair and place it on my head, you know, the scrunchie, and place it on my head. and then I'm just gonna flip it and start going round, making this into a bun. So this is very, very easy, guys, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. And while I'm going round, I'm just gonna be leaving some of the strands out because I wanted to have like a really nice curl, you know, situation going on. Like I have my natural hair, just twist it out and just pulled out. And then I'm going to be using my bobby pins to secure it once I go around making this into a bun. I'm just gonna separate them using some bobby pins to secure it. Just make sure it's really nice and, looks like it's my real hair or whatever. I'm just gonna take the 2 remaining pieces, take a scrunchie and place it exactly like I'm doing, okay? And then I'm just gonna take the scrunchie and place it on my head, okay? And then flip it. So I'm just gonna flip it exactly the way I'm doing, and then I'll take 2-3 strands from the side, and I'm just gonna go around with it, making this as realistic as possible. So I'm using this to like secure it and actually making this looking really nice and realistic, like it is actually my hair, guys, okay? And once you're done, you're just gonna take, a bobby pin and secure it. And then I'm just gonna flap the hair out, just making sure it's big hair, don't care season, honey. You know me, I like some big hair, don't care. And baby, when I tell you this curly situation came all the way through, yes, sis, I am living for this hair right here. Let me know if you guys are feeling it. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying this at the Thanksgiving dinner. I'm over here feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Yes, sis. Let me know if you guys are feeling this hairstyle right here. And I gotta give you a little action over here, as you guys already know. And you can actually rock this updo for a whole week, sis. And you know me, I gotta throw in a little style here, just one side shoulder situation, and baby, this looks legit. I'm going to be using the springy Afro twist hair, and this is 3X. It comes 3 in a pack, okay? And this is color 1B. I'm gonna take a scrunchie and secure the corner right there because I want to go around and make this into a really nice bun. I'm gonna take my styling strip again, place it on my head so my hair is not messed up. And then I'm going to place that on my head, flip it exactly the way I'm doing, very easy. And then I'm just gonna go around, sis, making this into a nice bun, okay? Just make sure you're holding as you're going around, okay? Very, very easy, very beginner friendly. Oh my gosh. And then you're just gonna take some bobby pins and secure the hair. This style, we're just using 1 pack as well, okay? So I'm just gonna take it out of the pack, taking the 2 remaining pieces. And then using my scrunchie to secure the middle. Place it on my head and then flip it exactly the way I'm doing, taking a little bit from the side and then just going around, trying to make this as realistic as possible, like it's growing out of my scalp, sis. If you have 4C hair like me, sis, and your hair is my type, sis, try this one if you want something that looks really, really natural, okay? And baby, this style came all the way through as well. Let me know if you guys are feeling it. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying this situation right here, this natural situation. I am feeling myself, as you guys can see right there. Let me know if you guys are loving it. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying it, because this hair right here is easy. It is light. It is just the truth, sis. When I tell you Thanksgiving dinner is coming up, and if you didn't know what to do with your hair, sis, I'm giving you some options. This hair right here is making me feel like I'm a natural goddess. I mean, my hair grew overnight or whatever. I am loving this situation right here. And I'm gonna be using this jumbo braiding hair, and this is 3X. It comes 3 in a pack. I'm actually using 2 packs, so 1 for the front and 1 for the back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it out of the pack exactly the way I'm doing, and I'm gonna take all 3 of them at once and use a scrunchie to secure it. So once I'm done, I'm just gonna take my styling strip and put it on my head again, because I don't want my hair to get messed up, sis. I want this to look really nice and clean. Anyway, so I'm just gonna take the hair and place it on my head exactly the way I'm doing, and then I'll section the hair into 2, and then I'm just going to twist it all the way down. So I'm doing a really nice tight twist, as you guys can see, because it's going to unravel a little bit once you let it go. So I'm just gonna take a rubber band and secure the end. And then I'm just gonna flip it closer to my forehead, making this into a side bun, guys, okay? And then I'll take the remaining and place it in the middle right there, making sure it's really nice and secure and my hair is not showing. And then I'm going to use my bobby pins to secure it. So I twisted 2 on the side. I'm just gonna take the bigger piece and place it on my head, and then I'm gonna go around with it, making this into a bun using my bobby pins to secure it. You know I gotta bring back the signature crown every moment that I get, sis, right? So that's what I'm doing. I'm just gonna take the last piece right there, and starting from the bottom right there, just going all the way around, I'm just gonna use my bobby pins to secure it, sis. And baby, I am in love with this. You guys already know what it is by now. And you can actually rock this at the Thanksgiving dinner. You can rock it as a bridesmaid. You can rock it as a bride. And honey, when I get the opportunity to turn myself into a bride, honey, I always go all the way through, okay? So here we go. I'm going to turn myself into a whole bride, sis. And baby, this came all the way through as well. Let me know if you guys are feeling the bride situation. Let me know which one you're going to be rocking. Let me know which style was your favorite. I want you guys to try them all. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing, and thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing my videos to your cousins, to your mamas, to anybody, sis. I am really thankful. I cannot believe we are here today. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure you share this with your cousin, your bestie, your mama, and your aunt, because sharing is caring. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.